What's up, guys? Welcome to BDO's YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about 3 easy steps to building your credit score. Now, having good credit is the main thing you want to have on lock, because when you have good credit, you can do so many things, right? But as we all know, most people don't have good credit, but it's not because it's rocket science, it's just because it's just not taught. The average American household has $15,000 worth of credit card debt, and the national debt is $905 billion. Now, the first tip that I want to go over is really simple, and that's just monitoring your credit, which anybody can do. Stats show that most adults don't check their score frequently, and I'm not sure if that's because checking your score gives you anxiety or if you have a perception of it'll make your credit score go down, or like a lot of people think that, but you really should check your report annually, because if you have any inaccuracies that you can dispute, it's better to get that under your belt and just get that squared away than just letting it sit there, because even the smallest inaccuracies can make a really big difference. So even just sending a simple letter to dispute any accuracies can really dramatically improve your credit in 30 days or even less than that if you're really on top of it. Guys, Credit Karma is the GOAT. If you have been on the fence about trying Credit Karma, I'm telling you, there's no reason to be on the fence about it. I recommend it 100%. I use it personally. Here is Credit Karma's site. Go here and then just log in, sign up for free. Like, it's a free account. They'll send you emails, they'll send you annual reports, and it's free, and you can check it as much as you want. So don't be on the fence about it. It's super easy to use. It's very user friendly, and I suggest it like 100%. Once I started using Credit Karma, I had like 2 small accounts in collections, and I didn't even know, and it raised my credit score in about, I want to say, like 60 days. I wasn't like super on top of it, but I got it squared away. I did little things and my credit score went up. So definitely check that out. Okay, my next suggestion is learn credit utilization. All right, now, do you have several credit cards or just a lot of credit cards? The key is, like, relax, guys. Most people get really anxious about having all of these credit cards and having a active billing list under each and every one of them. And a lot of mistakes that people make are they'll usually take a card, pay it off, and then just cancel the card because they don't want to deal with it. It's too much, it's too overwhelming, they don't want to forget about it. But even though this seems logical, that may be one of the worst things to do. Your overall credit score determines your credit worthiness, and it's calculated by your payment history and credit utilization. So those are just fancy words, and just saying for short that they need proof of concept, guys. They need receipts. Like, they need receipts that you can borrow money and you can pay it on time. And if you don't provide those receipts, if you don't provide that long list of receipts, then they're not going to know if they can trust you. If you try to go to the bank for a loan, that they're not going to see any proof of concept that you can be trusted and trustworthy in the future. So don't be afraid to make sure that you have a couple of running reports open and available. Make sure you're paying your stuff on time, of course, which is why you need to monitor things closely. However, don't get super anxious and don't just get antsy and just cancel your credit cards, especially if you need your credit score to go up. My last tip is get new credit. Now, I know that this seems like this is the last thing that you want to do, but I'm telling you, this is not a quick fix, but it can be a very simple fix long term, and it can dramatically increase your overall score and your overall credit history. When you open a new card or a new loan, all you have to do is make a on-time full balance payments for a couple of months. All right, guys, that wraps up our tips for today. Make sure you go to blackdoctor.org and check out our latest articles, join our Facebook page, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you guys later.